Canada driving experts. My name is Basir and I'm at Mississauga Drive Center. Today I want to take you to route number 1, route number 2 and also route number 3 of G2 test. So basically there is 3 routes. Mostly they are taking to route number 1 and route number 2. It is rarely might take you to route number 3. So if you are familiar, that is helping you a lot. And the other reason that I'm recording this video is the speed limit change in daily route. Previously it was 70, now it is 60. That's why I want to record this route again. First I want to take you to route number 1 and then route number 2 and then route number 3. If you are watching route number 1, go to my playlist, you will find route number 2, route number 3. I park my car in one of the designated parking spots. So when the examiner, after checking your vehicle, so he's asking make a left turn or go to the left. So shift the gear to drive, signal to the left, and now check all around and slowly move up and then turn to the left. So once you turn to the left, so be careful any vehicle backing or going forward, be careful about that vehicle is backing. Now he's waiting for me, I can go. So many people, they have roads, they are coming here, be careful. Pedestrian fail you easily, so check left, right regularly. Here is 3 speed hump, so $20 or $15 is good, but over that you cannot go. Here you don't need to check your speedometer because the speed is slow. You don't need to check. So we are approaching to the stop sign. This is one-way stop sign. I'm coming to the complete stop. Check left, right. Since this vehicle is going straight ahead, I can go straight ahead, but you need to check. So one vehicle stopped here, so he's asking from the stop sign left turn. Check the rear view mirror, left mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Come to the left side of the street. So once you come to the complete stop, check left, center, right, left again, and go to the first left lane. So once you go to the first left lane, you need to switch to the right mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, come to the right. Once you come to the right, then he's asking lane change to the left, rear view mirror, left mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and come to the left side. The speed limit here is 50. You can go 40 plus is better because there is no speed sign posted here. Here we are going to the left, rear view mirror, left mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Come here and stop on the left side. If you get a green arrow, you can go directly. If you didn't get green arrow, you need to go at the middle, like the buffer zone. You don't need to block the track, which is going straight ahead. You don't need to block. Once you went to the left, then at that time you need to switch to the right 2 times, because anytime you are turning to the left, you need to switch to the right. So check left, right. I can see 2 seconds, 1 second. I don't know, probably they might not give me arrow. If they didn't give me arrow, so at that time I need to go at the middle. Don't stop. Once you get green, you need to stop here at the middle. Don't block the oncoming traffic. Check pedestrian and go to the first left lane. Once you go to the first left lane, speed is 60. Check the mirror, right mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and come to the right. Then again you need to do lane change. Check rear view mirror, right mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and come to the right. Speed is 60. Don't go over the speed limit. Once you approach at this point, he is asking traffic light right turn, rear view mirror, right mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. So the first right is blocked due to construction. I can go from here, check blind spot again here. I'm turning to the right, I'm scanning the intersection and turn to the right. Here the speed is 40. You don't need to go over the 40, try to go 37, 38, 39. So basically there is so speed hump, you cannot go even 40. So check rear view mirror and come a little bit slow down, then you can continue. So guys, they can take you to any of these community area. So in 2025 I recorded straight ahead. Now I'm going to the left because some of the students they took to the left. Rear view mirror, left mirror signal, blind spot to the left. This is always stop. Come to the complete stop, check and go to the left. So be at the middle, there is a white solid line and also yellow line at the middle. It is not quite visible, so be careful. So sometimes they are taking you from this intersection to the right, sometimes to the left. So I'm going to the right, mirror signal, blind spot to the right, and come to the first right lane. Once you come here, then he is asking emergency stop, mirror signal, blind spot to the right, come close by curb, hazard light, shift the gear to park. The handbrake with my car is automatic. We don't need to pull up the handbrake. So at the beginning, you need to say to the examiner the handbrake is automatic. If your car has handbrake, so you need to pull the handbrake up. Then he says when it is safe, proceed, shift the gear, turn off hazard light, signal to the left, check rear view, left, blind spot, and proceed. So then he's asking uphill or downhill parking. You need to do that. I'm doing downhill parking, rear view mirror, right mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and come close by right. It is downhill, turn the steering wheel to the right, turn off signal, shift the gear to park, the handbrake is automatic. When he says when it is safe, proceed, shift the gear to drive, straighten the steering wheel, signal, check rear view, left, and blind spot, and proceed. He is asking 3-pointer, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and come to the right. Once you come to the right, then signal to the left. Let me check rear view, left, and blind spot, then come to the left side. Once you come to the left, then shift the gear to reverse, signal to the right, turn the steering wheel, and check all around. While going reverse, check from here. Once you check if the mirror approach to the middle of the road, you don't need to go back. Shift the gear to drive, signal to the left, check left and right, and go. There is a car, I'm doing parallel parking. So if I do parallel parking, I will not do reverse parking. Rear view mirror, right mirror signal, blind spot to the right. So I'm coming side by side with this method. So I need to check the tail. I see the tail of the vehicle in the small window. Then I need to shift the gear to reverse, signal already. I'm turning the steering wheel 3/4. This hole should come here to the right. Once this hole should come to the right, check, and go reverse, check the reverse, and also check the mirror. Once you can see the mirror, my mirror blocked the license plate, I need to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. And then my signal is off. I need to signal again, check, and I need to come and stop. Once you can see the curb is straight ahead, straighten the steering wheel and shift the gear to park, turn off signal. When he says when it is safe, proceed, shift the gear to drive, signal to the left, check, and check blind spot, and proceed. Here you don't need to signal, the road is curvy. From stop sign we are going to the left, rear view mirror, left mirror signal, blind spot to the left. I need to stop with the pedestrian walk. There is pedestrian walk, we don't have solid line, so you need to creep up, check. I see vehicle is coming, I need to stop. Here also vehicle is coming. If the vehicle is coming, don't bother yourself. If you see because they are on the main street, they don't have a stop sign, I have a stop sign. Now I can go to the left. So check it, left and right regularly. I'm going to the right, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. Come to the right, check left, right, left again, and come to the right. Speed here is 40. You cannot go 40 because there is 2-3 speed humps. You need to check regularly your mirrors. So here is also be careful, you cannot go on yellow solid line. So since you cannot go to the solid line, we need to go from the broken line. Rear view mirror, left mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Come to the left lane. And you need to stop here, check regularly left and right. So we have 3 lights. It means we also don't have oncoming traffic from the street ahead. There is no one street in our oncoming traffic, so there is no any vehicle coming. So in this situation, we only need to check pedestrian. If pedestrian crossing, you cannot cross. If we get green light, we need to go at the middle. If you are the first vehicle, if one vehicle is at the middle and pedestrian are crossing, you cannot go. You need to step behind the white solid line. Remember, once you turn to the left, you need to do 2-time lane change to the right. Don't do immediately, just pick the speed, then do the lane change. Sometimes once you turn, you immediately want to do the lane change, another vehicle in the back. Some of them, they are rushing, they are doing lane change before you. So that's why it will be a little bit hazard if the blind spotter light is on at that time. So that will be a little bit hazard. So we are going, there is no pedestrian. Scan the intersection and turn to the first left lane. Once you come to the first left lane, speed is 60, push the gas, then switch to the right. Mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. Now my speed is 55, I come to the right. Turn off signal, again, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and come to the right. Regularly check your speed. Your speed should not go over 60. 56 plus is very good. So he will ask you traffic light, right turn, rear view mirror, right mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and come from this broken line to the right. My light is green, I don't need to stop. I check pedestrian light, that is also safe to go. Check blind spot and turn to the right. Once you turn to the right, the speed here is, you don't have any speed sign, so you can assume as a 50. It is a wide one lane. 2 cars cannot go at the same time. Pretend as a one lane. Check your speed regularly. So I'm approaching to the stop sign. Check rear view mirror, right mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. So from here now it is 2 lane. Come to the complete stop behind the line, check left, right, center, and left again, and turn to the right. So again, here you don't have a speed sign posted. You can go maximum 50, but 40 is enough because you're approaching to the speed hump. Check. So there is too many speed humps. You don't need to check your speedometer here because the speed is slow. If you check, that's wonderful. If you don't, that's okay. Because there is no sign posted, so 3 speed hump. Since we did parallel parking, they are asking forward parking. Forward parking, I'm doing at the last one, going slowly. Check for any pedestrian, anyone. I'm doing forward parking here, signal, check, all around, and come and stop. Once you stop, shift the gear to park, and he will give you your result. Thank you so much for watching. I will record route number 2 as well. So if you didn't watch route number 2, check my YouTube list.